Hi guys, here we are with another tremendous product from MANSPOT. Let's have a look at the packaging first. It's a body hair trimmer from MANSPOT. The packaging looks so good. Some special features are quoted here, like it has anti-nick shaving guard, super sensitive shaver tech for high precision, shock resistant and quiet, waterproof, replacement blade modules available separately on manspotstore.com. Now the box included the trimmer, the easy to snap on blade, USB charging cable, 2 adjustable guards and a cleaning brush. Now let's start the unboxing. Free replacement blade warranty card. Here comes the trimmer. This is the main thing we are going to review today. And 2 adjustable guards. Then a charging cable and a cleaning brush. That's all here. It looks good. So this is the trimmer we are going to review today. This is a single button trimmer. In one click it's on and off. And here is the plug-in port to charge. This LED indicates the charge in the trimmer. Each guard has 2 different heads. One is like in here 9mm and 12mm head. Now let's see how to install the guards. Here are 2 spots where you can lock the guards, and these are the lock you have to put in the spot to install, like this. Okay. It's really easy. Okay, and in it has 3mm and 6mm guard, which will work like the size for the size ratio. And another announcement from MANSPOT, that if any of you share this video with 5 of your friends, or put this video in your YouTube channel and put the store link in your description box and the discount code also, you can find this code and link in my description box below. The MANSPOT company will send you a free replacement oil for the clipper. Now let's see how it works in the facial hair and body hair one by one.